So I definitely wasn't scared to major in physics when I first joined the program. I was really excited. I liked math. I had taken AP physics in high school. It wasn't until really I started doing the program that I realized truly how challenging it was going to be. And then that became the reason that I stayed in physics. Hi, my name is Kelly. I didn't intend to major in physics. I started as a business major and I was playing on the women's soccer team. And I didn't really love my business classes, but I had a couple of friends, Sam and Bridget, who were taking intro to physics, and their homework looked more fun. I loved the math. I loved the problem solving. I liked that they were trying to solve puzzles in their homework. I thought that that was really cool. So I was like, that's what I want. I want to go major in physics. It really felt like a major that I couldn't have done without having the professors there to support me and the other people in the department there to help me learn. I didn't feel like that content was something that I could just open the textbook, read it, and figure it out. I really needed the collaboration of the physics department in that room with everyone, whiteboards up, solving those problems together. And I do think that collaboration approach to problem solving is one of the most important things I got out of my time majoring in physics. Another really important skill would be the coding that we learned. So I took a MATLAB course with Matt Wright. I knew nothing about computers and nothing about coding. I thought that I knew something because I had done 10 minutes of HTML and knew how to type hello world on a screen. But other than that, I had no experience at all. And it was definitely one of the most challenging courses that I took. Coding is really something that, and Professor Wright tried to explain this to me, that you don't get it until it clicks and you have to just keep trying and trying and trying. And it took a long time. And throughout the semester, I never really figured it out. It wasn't until I started using it in my research that, that skill really clicked. And then it's really opened doors for me since. It helped me get a research assistant job after college. It was a big part of me getting into PhD programs. I definitely think that experience with, collaborative problem solving and then learning MATLAB and being familiar with coding, and specifically coding for math and coding for problem solving, is really, really important. In the fall of 2021, I'll be starting a PhD in cognitive neuroscience at Ohio State University, working with Zainab Sagan. And that might feel like a pretty big departure from physics, but to me, the transition really did make a lot of sense. So I really love the process of research. I liked the lit reviewing. I liked planning a study. So I started looking to find ways that I could take my physics knowledge and put it somewhere else. And the brain works like a circuit. And I was able to take a digital circuits class and learn a bit about circuits and electromagnetics during my physics major. And I was like, neurons are really cool. The brain is really cool. That's the direction that I want to go. So Matt Wright actually reached out to a neuropsych professor at Adelphi, Dominic Ferrari, and put me in contact with him and helped me transition into his lab to start to get that experience that I needed. And that really prepared me for where I am now, which is starting that PhD program. And I'm really excited about it. I want to research how kids learn to read and how kids learn to do math and understand what the brain does to specialize for those really unique functions.